Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the types of decimal expansion. So there are three types of decimal expansions. One is terminating, the other one is non-terminating recurring, also called non-terminating repeating, and the third one is called non-terminating non-recurring or non-terminating non-repeating. So let us see an example for each. For example, for terminating, I'm taking the fraction 1 by 4. Now when I divide 1 by 4, so we have to keep a decimal because 1 is a small number. So we introduce a 0, and then 4 2 times is 8, and then we get the remainder 2, and then there is a 0 which automatically comes, and then 4 5 times is 20, and now the remainder is 0. So whatever we get here, 0.25, that is the decimal expansion of 1 by 4. And as we can see here, we have got the remainder as 0, which means it has stopped. So we call it terminating decimal expansion. If we consider the fraction 1 by 11, then 1 goes in the dividend, 11 is the divisor. Now, since 1 is a smaller number, we introduce 0 and then 1 0. Still, it's a small number, so we have to introduce one more 0 and another 0. Now, 11 9 times is 99, and we have 1. Again, automatically a 0 comes, but still it is less than the divisor 11. So we introduce another 0, and here again another 0, and 11 9 times again is 99. And again we get the remainder 1. And this goes on. So as you can see here, the answer is 0.090909 and so on, which can be written as 0.09 the whole bar. So since it doesn't stop, it is called non-terminating, and the same set of digits, that is 0 9, keeps repeating. So it is called non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. It's very important to note here that at times one digit can get repeated, like 0.3333 and so on. At times two digits can get repeated, like in this case. But at times even the repetition can arise after 17 digits as well. So it depends on the fraction. So any fraction if we take, it will either have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Then what kind of numbers do give non-terminating non-recurring? Mostly root numbers, root 2, root 3, pi, and root 7, root 5. So these numbers, when we use the calculator to find the values of these numbers, then we get 1.414, and then the pattern in which the decimal continues will be in such a way that we cannot find a block of digits that will get repeated. So this we call it as non-terminating non-recurring or non-repeating decimal expansion. It is very important to note here that any fraction will either give terminating or non-terminating recurring. At times when we divide a fraction, it may feel like it is non-terminating non-recurring, but eventually it will recur after a particular set of numbers, because both terminating and non-terminating recurring constitute rational numbers which are in the form of p by q. Only irrational numbers will have non-terminating non-recurring or non-repeating decimal expansion. Thank you.